Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the floorcare.biz x17SS side-by-side. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we have a worn pad or a damaged pad driver on your machine that we have to replace. Very easy. Just take it, twist your pad driver off, set her down like that. You just need to replace the pad. Just peel it off. Just like that. Now, if you need to replace the pad driver, get yourself a new pad driver. Comes just like that. Get a new pad. Line it up. You don't really need the centerpiece. Stick it on. And twist lock it back into place. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.